Hi guys, what's up? Hope you're doing well. Today we've got a trigonometric equation from the Harvard entrance exam. I'm gonna solve the equation less than 4 minutes. Look at the question. Solve the equation cosine 3x equals sine 2x for 0 to pi. Let's go. We start by using a trigonometric relation as sine x equals cosine pi over 2 minus x. By using this relation on the equation, we can write cosine 3x equal cosine pi over 2 minus 2x. This is a trigonometric equation based on cosine. For this type, the solution are as follows. Cosine x equal cosine theta x equal 2k pi plus minus theta. Based on this point, we can write for the equation 3x equal 2k pi plus minus pi over 2 minus 2x. Then we have two set of solutions. First one with plus and other with minus. Therefore, we get 3x equal 2k pi plus pi over 2 minus 2x and 3x equal 2k pi minus pi over 2 minus 2x. By moving minus 2x to the other side of the equation and divide by 5, x equal 2k pi over 5 plus pi over 10, and for this one, x equal 2k pi minus pi over 2. We have two set of answers for the equation. Now, for first set of answers, x equal 2k pi over 5 plus pi over 10, k equal 0, k equal 1, k equal minus 1, k equal 2, and other integer. K equal 0, x equal pi over 10. This value is valid because within the range 0 to pi. K equal minus 1. Minus 1, then x equal 5 pi okay 10. This value is valid. K equal minus 1, x equal minus 3 pi over 10 is not valid because doesn't fall within the range. K equal 2, x 2 4 pi over 5 plus pi over 10, x equal 9 pi over 10 is valid because within the range. And for other integers, x doesn't fall within the range then is not valid. For second set of answers, x equal 2k pi minus pi over 2, k equal 0, k equal 1, minus 1, k equal 0, x equal minus pi over 2 is not valid, k equal 1, x equal minus 3 pi over 2 is not valid, and for other integers, this value for x is Not valid because doesn't fall within the range. Therefore, the final answers are pi over 10, 5 pi over 10, and 9 pi over 10. Perfect and excellent. Please hit subscribe